Often we use our laptops in dimly lit rooms, but the new BenQ Screen Bar Lite can help ease eye strain. This is the little brother to BenQ's full-size screen bar for desktop computer monitors, and it comes with a protective case. This compact LED light has 2 different color LEDs so you can switch between warm and cool lighting. And on the back is a sturdy clamp that clips onto the laptop screen. The great thing is that the Screen Bar Lite is powered through USB and attaches easily to the top of a laptop. The angle of the light can also be adjusted to hit the perfect spot on the keyboard and surrounding area. The touch-sensitive buttons also respond well to fingertips, and they're found across the front of the lamp. When this sun icon is lit up, it activates dimming mode, but when the thermometer icon is lit, the screen bar is in color temperature mode. Here I'll demonstrate the dimming and temperature functions. With the sun icon lit up, touching the left button will dim the light, but you can choose your brightness level depending on the ambient light in the room. Once the dim level is set, the color temperature can be adjusted from a cool glow to a more warm-looking light. Sometimes a warmer light color is easier on the eyes in a darker room. And here's just a quick look at the actual LEDs as I make changes to the lighting. There are distinct white and orange LEDs in here, and the actual color temperature is achieved by a mixture between the two colors. The BenQ Screen Bar Lite is a great addition to a laptop when working in a room with dim lighting or if your keyboard doesn't have backlighting. This is a very compact lamp that you can take with you, and you always have power because this is run off a standard USB port. You could clip the screen bar onto other things, but they have to be really thin because the clip doesn't open very far. For regular desktop monitors, you'll need the regular size screen bar from BenQ. If you found this product interesting, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to get my weekly tech tutorials and product reviews. Thanks for watching.